let it say it is preparing to live stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are online. Okay.
Okay, good morning. Good afternoon, everyone. And today, another session, special Sunday to understand basically how to make posters for teaching and learning. That is what I use it for using ChatGPT. So let's understand that. Um, So, what are the benefits basically of using posters in education? Before we start understanding how to use ChatGPT to make these posters, let's understand what are the various ways in which these posters can be beneficial for teaching and learning process. First is it promotes active learning. So, creating posters and space for it is actually enhancing the creativity in yourself and in the learners as well. uh, Another thing is it enhances clarity. Some complex paragraph or some descriptor, if it is given and you want to simplify it for some learners or for yourself, posters could be a great way of or medium of understanding it. It also supports differentiation in your classroom. Some students, like I, learn more visually. So some students who learn better visually, for them you can create posters and share it with them and ask them to look at the poster and comprehend what do they understand from it. So that can also enhance differentiation in your classroom, and it can encourage reflection in your learners. So let's go ahead now. Using ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? Everybody knows it. It's an AI tool. It helps us to generate the text and the image based on the content we give, prompt we give to ChatGPT. So how do we generate? I would request everyone to log into the ChatGPT first, like I will do over here. So I have logged into this ChatGPT. Can everybody else also join this so that we make the poster together and then we all can share it? Just let me know once you board on this to this ChatGPT. It's a normal version. Just type here ChatGPT and then you can board onto it.
Those who don't have an account, what should they do?
Um, I asked everyone to log into an account. Otherwise, just create an account and you can then use
So,
ChatGPT.
so the website, openai.com.
Website of ChatGPT. 1 second. For me, it's just showing directly because I've
Uh,
used it too much. 1 minute. Huh? Just trying that. No, it goes directly to me.
okay, let me check.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can just go on this window and then say chat GPT. Okay. Uh,
Here also, I guess it's direct.
yeah. Come here. So you can click to openai.com. Okay. Then you can log in ChatGPT. Okay. You can log in through your email. So you will see like this. Continue with Google because I will log in through my Gmail account. This is my this account. So it will ask you to authenticate this to particular here. Because I have used a lot of accounts here, you can see the history of my account. Okay. So this is come to this page, what can I help with? So you can type over here. Okay, you take over now.
Yeah. So we go here on ChatGPT. Now let's understand. First, decide what topic do you want to create poster on. For whom are you creating it? Is it for adult? Is it for your students? What is the age of your students? All these information and prompts need to be given to the ChatGPT. Here, before I was joining this session, I was making a PYP descriptor, theme descriptors poster. First, I made it without any wordings, and then I made it with wordings. So different prompts were given to ChatGPT for the same. So let's make it again. Suppose I'm taking this information. Your information should be ready with you for making the poster. This is the theme descriptor where we are in place and time. I need a poster for my classroom. So I'm typing here, I need a poster for my PYP classroom, age group, grade 4 and 5. Help me to generate the poster with illustration and image and send it. So it's generating. So your prompt, the age group, what is the purpose of this poster? For what purpose do you want to use it? And the content. Now, also keep in mind, you cannot give a huge paragraph to be covered in a poster. So the precise content should be given to ChatGPT so that it can help us to generate the images. Now it's generating. Where we are in place and time is the theme. It's given me an inquiry into histories and orientation, place, space, and time. And now for my students of grade 4 and 5, it's giving me illustration and the wordings next to it. So I feel this is a better version to make the students understand any concept using illustrations. So can you see this?
Archana, earlier there used to be a lot of spelling errors, you know?
Initially,
So now I don't see spelling errors here.
no, there are no spelling errors. Maybe if we type here the error, it may reflect. The content, yeah. If the errors are in the content, it may reflect. I have generated almost 6 posters since morning. I did not find any error yet.
Okay. Okay.
Also, there is a limit for generating. If it is free for you, free ChatGPT version, if we are using, there is a limit to generate each day the posters. I guess you can make only 5 to 6 in a day if you're using a free version.
So do you have a free version or do you have a...
I just purchased today because holidays are going to start and I'm going to go into this mode. I just purchased today.
Which woman?
So
Okay, I'm just teasing her, but I myself purchased a subscription for Gamma. Gamma is a good tool to create presentations. I'm going to take a look of section, course
so
materials, yeah. I think it's a good idea.
So now if suppose I want to make a poster, let's try one more where I do not give any content, I just give the command. So let's make a poster for grade 1 and 2 students to explain them operations and enhance their vocabulary. Let's see what it generates. Yeah. Here, I'm not giving any content. I just gave the command, what do I need? And here, precise content was given because I want to make the poster for the theme descriptor so that my students, it feels easy for them to understand what each theme descriptor is asking us to learn or explore or inquire. So this is another poster which it's generating where no content is given, just a prompt that make a poster for me where I can enhance the vocabulary of my students of grade 1 and 2 for operations. Let's see what it generates. Hmm. Now, please also add the clue words for each operation in the poster. Keep exploring, keep
No.
hunting. What do you want? Let's see what it generates.
I think because you have taken the paid account, your images are coming faster. Otherwise, it takes time to prepare.
Yeah, otherwise it takes 5 minutes. It will show you that many people are, on board generating image. So please wait, I'm generating it. And the ChatGPT will let you know once it's ready. But with
Correct.
5 to 6 minutes, they generate. Now, one
Correct.
thing, yes,
Correct. It's taking that time, showing lots of people are creating images.
correct, correct. It will take time, but it will generate for you. In a day's time, 6 posters for free you can generate.
Got it.
Yeah. So, just a few tips basically. Key features to create a poster is one, keep the design uncluttered. Do not, and when will this happen? Only when you give limited content to the chat GPT to develop that poster. It should be also appealing colors for the students to understand. Do not just make it black and white. Add colors to it. Those commands also you can give it to chat GPT. uh, every element should serve a good learning goal. Whatever you want, the purpose for which you want to use the poster should be served properly. And also make a note of it that posters can also be used for provocations, not only just sharing or enhancing the understanding, but for provocation, tuning in also you can use a poster one. Second, a poster can be used to as an exemplar. Suppose one poster AI has generated, show it to the class, use it as an exemplar and ask them at least to reach to this or better than this. So that way also posters can be used. There could be multiple ways of using a poster. Yes, so let's see. So can you see here the clue words are also given by ChatGPT, uh, which can help students to identify in a word problem the operation. So this is how we can generate. Now, if you have tried, I'm stopping the screen share. Please share whatever you have made, whichever topic you have generated the poster. If you want to know something, please feel free to ask.
Can we upload the image? Like, for example, there are various anchor charts available on Pinterest. So, if we want to pick an image from there and then we want to recreate it, how can we do that?
We can do that. I'll show you that as well. So if I want to, like, let me check on my desktop which image is there. Today morning only I was looking at, yeah. Okay, let me screenshot this first because the image is too. I want to create a poster for this. Okay, this was from somewhere, some website I got this. And now I want to create a poster for this. Let's try how it can happen. Where am I? Yeah. So let me try. I upload this image. Help me to generate poster with illustration to understand the given data. Chalo, let's see what happens. It should help us to do that. So if a
Amber?
complex, yeah.
Sorry, go ahead.
So if a complex poster is there and you want to make it age appropriate, friendly for yourself and for the students to understand, you can definitely ask and give the prompt that give me a age appropriate poster for this age level or this grade, or make it more simplified version. So let's see what it is making now. Let's see. I now asked that create image for each idea shared in the image. Okay, so now it was this way. It helped me to make it more simplified version for me to understand. And now I'm asking to create illustration for each of it. Let's see if I get. Anything else you all want to ask till it generates?
Ma'am, I've created one I would want to share once
Sure,
you're
sure.
done.
Yes. 1 second.
Archana ma'am,
Yes, please.
yeah, sometimes no, if there's a lot of content, it hides the content. It doesn't give a full poster. Is there any way out that we could get, a full poster of it?
As I said, there are limitations. It cannot give us too much of content in a illustrated form over here. It won't. So what you can do is divide that content into different paragraphs. And for each paragraph, you can generate a poster and then combine it all together on a Google slide. You can do that. Or you can use napkin, which will give you a graphic organizer kind of image. Now, can you see here? For each descriptor in here, it has given me an illustration. So now if I want to use both together, what would I do on a Canva? I will take a screenshot of this. Then I'll take a screenshot of the image which goes with the explanation there. And I'll make my own poster. So that's how.
Also, one tip, Archana.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
if that writing that is there on top, okay, the previous poster, if it is too heavy for students to understand, and this poster is for students, then you can write over there, rewrite the content in such a way that a grade 3 student can understand. If it is for grade 3. So you can simplify the language also, if it is for students. Okay.
Let's try that. I've given it a command. So this is the way it generates. I'll stop my screen share. Now what it is giving me, it's giving me all the wordings together. Now convert this into a poster for the class. So now what it has done, ChatGPT has converted the heavy wordings over here into a simplified version where my grade 3 students will be able to read and understand and comprehend. And now I'm waiting for the poster.
So even in my presentation, when I'm creating my presentation as Kama, I automatically create it through the sentence. If I find that it is too heavy and too, the vocabulary is too high, then I give another prompt saying that rewrite this content in such a way that this is in simple language and which even a grade 8 student can understand. So this is for adults. For a grade 8 student can understand that kind of
Yes.
language.
Yes. So that's what I said. When you give the prompt, be particular. What is the age group? What is the purpose? Where are you going to use it? And why are you creating it? So learning and growing through inquiry. The poster is ready with the image finally and the content. Can you see? So multiple time you'll go on giving command as per your requirement till you finally get what you want. So yes, this is ready.
Nice. I like it.
So it looks this way. We are done. So I'll stop screen sharing, and whoever wishes to share their post it, they can go ahead. I hope it helped and you're not confused.
No, it definitely helped in understanding how to create a poster, which I was, perplexed with. So yes, definitely, it's an intriguing session, and thank you for taking it.
My
Yes,
pleasure.
Jyoti, you have a question.
No, ma'am, not a question per se, but I wanted to share. I have made something
Yes.
on this. So, may I share, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a moment. Please let me know once you're able to see my screen. Can you see my screen? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, great. So I was working on a lesson plan. It's not a, yeah, I mean, it's a lesson plan basically on the lines of exploring the chemical bonds. So a digital journey. So I just copy pasted this particular prompt over from my lesson plan document over here. And so it's like students will form groups of three to assume different roles, and this is what they're going to do, right? So once I put in this command, so I got this one as a
Mhm.
poster over here, the project overview. It's quite interesting, and I just wanted to share this.
Okay.
So yeah.
What do you want to try? Give further command that
I
make
have given,
you
yes,
give-
yes. So,
Okay,
so
okay.
if I'm going down, create an illustration for each of the idea shared in the poster, which you mentioned. So, so this is what I got. Uh, so this is how it looks.
Now,
I hope you can.
if you want to use this chemical bond, concept for provocation, which kind of poster should be
Right,
made? That also, if you give a command, you will get for provocation as well.
right. I will definitely try
Try
that
that.
out too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. That's what I wanted to share from myself. Thank you.
Thank you
I'll
for
just
sharing.
stop my screen share.
Anybody else is ready with their poster? Please share. Uh,
Okay, I'll share.
please.
Beer is faker.
So we have a chapter in our literature book about Anne Frank. So that is what I have created. And I got this in the first go only, though it has not given much of details, but I only gave the prompt that it should be crisp, so that I can just create one poster and use it. So what I started with was, as an educator. Okay, I'll read out probably. I'll read out what I wrote. Give me a second. Yeah, so I wrote that as an educator, make a poster for a student of grade 5 to explain the life of Anne Frank. Avoid sensitive pictures, but provide crisp description of her life from birth to death, along with pictures highlighting the main events along with the pictures. So this is what I got. I actually got two responses. I don't know why my ChatGPT works like that, but it always gives me two responses and then asks that which one do I find better. So I give a thumbs up, and the following responses come like that. I mean, it might be so with everybody. So I got two posters, and I like this one.
So what was the purpose of creating this? For what purpose do you want to use this poster in your classroom?
Maybe I'll just put it there for children to have a once we might recap, then it will just help them. If I just put it in the class, they will know the life events. That is why. I mean, they can
Okay.
just have a look at it and recall that how her life went.
Okay, yeah. So you can use it for sequencing as well. You make it now, you cut it into pieces, use it with your students so that they can sequence. You can use it for timeline as well. And if you give the command to the ChatGPT, can make it a timeline format. It will give you that as well. Without wordings will help your students to, comprehend what do they understand. Poster making. Thank you for sharing. This was nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for all the ideas. Thank you.
So, yes. Anybody else would like to share, or I am done from my end. If you want to ask anything related to poster making, you can.
Ma'am, I'm on my mobile,
Mhm.
so I'll just share my screen.
Please.
Let me know, ma'am, if you can see this.
We can. We can. Oh, this was nice.
Yeah.
Like comic strip, you made it.
Yes, ma'am, like a storyboard actually. We were doing this, we got a feedback from after our evaluation. So we were focusing on that as a team. We were collaborating and trying to find out what would be our, future focus. So how should we do it? And also that time we were working on the curriculum, the feedback which we received for DP as, you should be offering such subjects and all that. So just type the command and then I put it on the Canva as a presentation. So this is one. I hope you can see this.
Yes, yes. It's interesting. So, what command did you give? Would you like to share so others will also benefit from it?
You create a storyboard, and I put the feedback that the evaluators gave. Showing, yeah.
Okay, okay. So, this is basically descriptor of your evaluations feedback.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
This was one, and the other one was this.
Thank you for sharing. You gave me an idea. If I want to do it with my team, I can utilize this way.
We were given a choice, like, how you would like to present it. So I picked up the storyboard.
Okay, okay.
As my, yeah, this is one. For DP subject choices, we got this.
So you can make comic strip, you can make posters. ChatGPT can be exploited to the core. It's the only thing is you should be clear what do you want.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Thank you so much, Archana.
Welcome. Okay, Miss Ashika, I guess we're done.
So, thank you so much for coming.
My pleasure,
Somebody
ma'am.
asked something and then suddenly I say, come online, everybody. And because it is a Sunday, I think it is an advantage for all of us. Those who are really wanting to learn, they come online on Zoom. Otherwise, people can watch at their leisure time on this channel. You have this particular video there. And these people who are going to come here, if you forget something, it is look at it at another time when you really want to see, okay, what are the props or how does it be. So thank you so much for coming and short notice, Archana. You're always there for the day.
My pleasure, ma'am. I learn from you and I give back to your community.
Thank you so much. We also have Maithili here. Maithili, I hope she's there.
Oh, she's here?
Maithili, are you here? She's not one time. I posted this on the different WhatsApp group.
Okay, ma'am.
saying that you can watch live on video. So she's like, can I come to this session? So I said, you have to join the group first. So she joined the group, and then I got her. I think she left. She has a poor profession. So she tried coming in twice.
I can see her here right now.
I think she might be having issues with Okay. Thank you so
Okay,
much, all of you. Thank you, Debjyoti, for coming all the time, every time.
It's a
Thank
pleasure, ma'am. I
Thank
get
you,
to
Ashika ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye.